Every year, Facebook decides to change how to change your Facebook page name. So here's how to do it in 2025. It's not on any of the buttons on this page, and it's not on these three little buttons. Now, you go to here and go to Settings and Privacy, and you go to Settings, and the fastest way to do this is just type in Name. And that's going to take you over here to your name, DreamVR, under Page Setup. It's also down here under Audience and Visibility, Page Setup. And this is where they hid that name changing thing. So I'm going to go to my name, I'm going to edit it, and call it what my channel is now, which is Joel Creates. Please subscribe for more internet and video creation content. Review change. Enter my password and request the change. Alright, that's how you do it, and it will take 3 days to change your name. Now you know for 2025.